secretary and you know who the boss is. Raining Alton E, man, you don't wanna cross us, cause you might end up dead in the process. So process this.
Come ride the train, locomotive kill you now. Shit, rolling. You know you wanna ride this train. Come on, you know you wanna. You know you wanna. You know you wanna ride this train. Ride it. You know you wanna ride this train. Ride it. Come on, ride this train. Ride it. You know you wanna ride this train.
Fuck all the foreplay, untie her G-string. Yeah, I'm a lifeguard, the way I dive in a deep end. And I don't swim much, but know how to breaststroke. Best compliment I've gotten after sex was the bed, bro. No shirt, no panties, I ain't in the only friend zone. She love it with my tongue touched down on her end zone. Cause I'm a freak, so let's get freaky, baby. Not just for the night, the whole weekend, baby. I'll have you leaking like a faucet. I'll freak out the closet. She the secretary and you know who the boss is. Raining Alton E, y'all don't wanna cross us. Might end up wet in the process.
Real shit, real talk, baby. I say just come on, ride the train. Ride it. Alton, you know you wanna ride this train.
Jump up on it, baby.
Come on.
Do what you like.
Just come on, ride the train. You know you wanna position yourself. Fuck it, let's fuck like we the military. Alright, we gon' start it off, bitch, you ain't hearing yet. So I'ma start sticking my dick up in your clitoris. Start creasing your nipples like you never heard. I love them hits. So what I'm doing now, I'm grabbing on your hair and smacking you off fucking headboards, cause you know it's just my ear. 2030, yo, I'm Alton E, calling for the rain, and this is how we gon' do it. Starting all this shit again. Holocaust, so what you wanna start? Bitch, don't call my name. Shut the fuck up, I'm gon' stick you once again. So what? Now she's crying, fuck, you ain't sorry. I realized that was with fucking nobody, but I will be the one up on the street say I don't miss you. Fuck around with Alton and then rain, and we will kill you.
Kill you.
You know you wanna ride a train.
Pulling on the fucking game.
So come on, ride a train. Ride it. You know they wanna ride a train. Yeah, baby. You gotta be on this train. Cause this train's like, so come on, ride a train. Bullet train, bitch. It hit you so fast.
Don't stop riding that train.
Not even Kevlar can save you. Don't fuck around. Alternate running.